Hi, I just visited Suntowers 2 by Key Marketing. If you're curious about pre-sales in Burnaby, watch this video as this one is located right by Metrotown Center. Hi, this is Alex from Royal Pacific Realty in Vancouver, and this is Canadian Content A. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I talk about everything real estate in the Vancouver area with new videos every Friday. Hit that subscribe button, that little bell, because being a smart, savvy consumer is a good idea. Many pre-sales across Burnaby require VIP access. Watch this video as I walk through Suntowers 2, as previewing and sales will begin early February 2019. Suntowers 2 gives you all the very best of Metrotown. Sitting just south of Tower 1, this building is situated off Beresford St with easy access to Metrotown Skytrain station. Once you become a resident of Suntowers 2, you'll also become a member of the Surrey Club, which offers 3 floors, 24,000 square feet of amenities, including a stunning 60-foot pool, hot tub, indoor and outdoor entertainment spaces with a mini golf room. Services offered through the Surrey Club include the following: sports coaches, personal trainers, private golf, yoga instruction, and badminton lessons. Private events such as gourmet chef and party planner. For children, the Surrey Club can arrange music lessons. The indoor social center features a fully furnished lounge area with large screen, TV, billiards, kitchen, and dining area. The outdoor space is located on the 8th floor. It is over 6,700 square feet with a fire pit, lounge, outdoor kitchen, dining area, ping pong table, and softball play area for children. The concierge service at Suntowers is service at its finest. The concierge will plan community events like games night, sports nights, movie nights, wine tasting, etc. They also have third-party service arrangements with handyman, housekeeping, and pet service providers, to name a few. The Suntowers interiors have well-thought-out floor plans, sleek, modern, European-style kitchens, keyless entry with your smartphone, warm interior colors with marble and quartz. The units also come with smart outlets, and building will have access to its own Amazon box. The sizes of the units range from 580 square feet for 1 bedroom, 850 square feet for a 2-bedroom, and 1,099 square feet for a 3-bedroom. The prices start from high $600,000 for 1 bedroom, mid $900,000 for a 2-bedroom, and $1 million plus for a 3-bedroom. If you purchase early, they are also offering a complimentary upgrade package worth up to $10,000. This includes custom closet organizers, heated bath floors, laminate flooring in bedrooms, kitchen organizers, Nest Smart thermostat, and iMove pull-down shelves. So there you have it, the Suntowers 2 project in Burnaby. If you have any interest in this project, please feel free to reach out to me. Private client viewings are coming very soon. VIP buyers will get first selection. Registration is required. Question of the day: what do you think of Suntowers 2 project in Burnaby? Would you buy a pre-sale in this market? Please leave it in the comments below. I'll try my best to personally answer all the comments myself. As always, please like, share, and subscribe and become a smart, savvy consumer. I make educational videos every Friday. This is Alex from Vancouver, and thanks so much for watching this video.